Now you're not eating up this tail. Taking a video.
Yeah. You never know. It could be funny videos.
It's nice to watch it, but it's stupid shit. I'm the lever control. Mom.
Don't, Vivian.
I can control.
Now you messed it up.
No, I'm trying to make its thing go in there. No, go get it. What the? That's a snapper!
Wow!
Dad, that's a snapper! What's wrong with you? That thing jumped! That's one right!
Alright, just be quiet. Let's see what happens.
That's definitely a fault. That's a snapper.
Wow!
That sure is a fault. Mom, you should put that on funny videos.